Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Xbox gift card on Microsoft. This gives you Microsoft account credit to use. Sign into the exact Microsoft account linked to your Xbox or console. Once logged in, go to Redeem and type the 25-character code carefully. You do this first because Roblox accepts Microsoft Balance through certain purchase flows or via buying Roblox gift cards on the Microsoft Store. Make sure to confirm the code. Small typos cause failures and waste time. Next, use that Microsoft Balance to purchase Robux or a Roblox digital gift card from the Microsoft Store. This is how you move value into Roblox. Once done, pick the right region and currency because mismatches block redemption, then complete the checkout using the Microsoft Balance. After purchase, you'll receive a code or direct Robux delivery. Copy the code exactly or note the order receipt. This step converts Microsoft credit into a Roblox usable form, so double-check details before confirming. Finally, redeem the Roblox digital gift card or enter the code on Roblox under Account Gift Card Enter Code. This grants Robux or credit instantly. If the balance does not show, log out and wait 5 to 10 minutes, then log back in to force a sync. Make sure the account you redeem into matches the intended Roblox account. If issues continue, keep the Microsoft receipt and contact Microsoft or Roblox support with transaction details so they can trace the purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.